Welcome to MultiDO Challenge. As you may have already noticed, today's going to be a really bright and fun day. Time to start the challenge. Girls, are you ready? Of course, let's go! Oh my gosh. Girls, I've never seen a candy machine with this many gummy eyes before. Gummy eyes? Where? I just love them. Wow! I'm gonna try mine first. And besides, I got the coolest flavor. Fanta! Girls, this is just incredible. So what are we waiting for? It's time for us to try these eyes. Yummy! I think we should keep going. I'm with you on that. This is so delicious. I'm ready to eat everything all at once. Why can't I fit 10 eyes in my mouth at once? Gotta practice more. There really are too many eyes. Delicious. I love this. This is the best start to a challenge. Ugh, I can't fit anymore. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm kind of sick of candy. Well, looks like I won this round. I ate all my eyeballs the fastest. I didn't think you guys were so lame. How lovely. I love macaroons. This is probably my favorite dessert. But I hate lemons. Why is Betty so lucky and I'm not? It wasn't just Betty who got lucky. Look at all this chewing gum I got. You guys have yummy treats and I don't? That's not fair. Stop whining. Just be happy for your friends. These macaroons are unrealistically delicious. I love the cream inside. It's so sweet. I think I'm gonna eat it separate. And I can make a giant cake out of them. I just need to smush a ton of macaroons together all at once. It's way tastier like this. Emma, what are you waiting for? Time to try your lemons. Oh, come on, leave me alone. Okay, whatever. Do what you like. I'm gonna enjoy my gum. I'll start here. Wow. The yellow one. Oh, yellow! That one's mine. You know the rules. All yellow treats come to me. Oh, yeah? Then I'm gonna have to eat all the gum all at once. That way nobody can take my candy away from me. Well, Emma, it's time for your lemons. Why are you guys so mean to me? Let me at least peel them. I'm gonna make them taste any better. Just looking at lemons makes me squirm. Come on, guys, put yourself in my shoes. I'd rather not. No big deal. I'm strong. Now I'm gonna show you how to deal with these lemons. Let's go! Everything's okay. All good. I can do this. I can handle it. All right, Betty, this is for you, and Bella for you. All right, I did it. I love donuts with icing on top. And I love these beautiful shoes. But they're not really my size. Betty, get that thing away from me. It's not a thing. It's my gummy snake. Look how long it is. It's probably really tasty. Turns out these little shoes are really fun to play with. Oh, but they kind of leave stuff on your hands. Oh, I get it. I can eat these shoes. And they're really tasty. All right, time to climb up the donut tower. Hands off. These are my treats. Well, that's fine. I still enjoyed my shoes. Bella, now it's your turn to eat the donuts. That's easy. I love eating these delicious sweet donuts. And if you don't think I can eat 2 at once, you've been mistaken. Huh. Looks like you're liking it. Just remember, if you don't finish your donuts, there's gonna be a surprise waiting for you. Oh no, I don't need a surprise. I better hurry. I think I'll make one big donut out of all these donuts. Then I can eat it way faster. Good thinking. I guess it's working. I did it. Now give me time to chew this mess. Finally, it's my turn to try this really long and appetizing candy. It's too dense. My teeth can't cut through it. I guess I'm gonna lose this round. Betty, don't be upset. We're your friends, and we'll help you out. Hey, it worked! I fell, but I got to take a bite of my snake. Girls, let's keep going. Oh yeah, that really hurts. Looks like I can't eat the rest of my gummy snake. Guys, I need some serious help. No, we've had enough fun helping you. I hate losing. Why'd the gummy have to be so hard? Look at how cool my watermelon looks. And I have a luxury bag. Ah! Ah! I have a whole bottle of mustard! Girls, you're gonna help me, right? Of course not. If you want, you can have a bite of my watermelon. Oh, it's kind of weird. Why is it so hard? How do I eat it? I'm gonna break my teeth. Girls, you're out of luck. But not me. Let's see what's inside my adorable bag. And inside my chocolate bag are a bunch of candies. That's what I like. I wish there was always candy inside my purse. And I get to eat the bag itself. Oh my gosh. Betty, what are you doing? I'm trying to warm up the watermelon. Maybe I can eat it like this? I feel like I'm gonna get a brain freeze. Oh no! The watermelon looks so good, but I just can't eat it. This isn't funny at all. I'm gonna deal with this anyways. Can't let a good thing go to waste. Oh, it's so cold. Well, I finished my bag. Hey, Emma, stop messing around. There's a whole bottle of mustard waiting for you. Well, this whole place catches on fire. It was your fault. Ugh, that's so gross. It's too bitter. No, no, no! I can feel the fire inside me. I need help right now. Help! Water! Hey, Betty, why don't you eat your watermelon? I can't. Give me a whack. Ow! That hurts so much. Congratulations to me. Subscribe to MultiDO Challenge so you don't miss the same equally fun and interesting videos. It's always bright, delicious, and very fun here.